Renewable Energy Expo.
Hi to everyone, and I am from Sumit Datta from Microtek. I am a national sales head in Microtek, and we are participating in this exhibition from many years, and we regularly get good response from this exhibition. As far Microtek is concerned, Microtek is basically a home UPS cum solar company. We have diversified in many products, like we have an online UPS, line inductive UPS, stabilizers, and even we are diversified in the healthcare products also. So these are our product range. Recently we have launched our electrical products, solar wires, and the LAN and CCTV wires, all these products. And in this particular exhibition, we have found that we have met many dedicated customers who wants to have solar in their home, and we have also met many SIs and retailers and distributors who deals in solar products. So this particular exhibition is very beneficial for us, and we are looking forward to participate in future years. Thank you.
6th edition of Renewable Energy Expo, 8th, 9th and 10th February 2024, Chennai Trade Center.